In our first tutorial on the new integrated 3D object capabilities in Final Cut Pro 10, we are going to use 3D objects to do some simple rotoscoping with PaintX. I have included a simple FCPX Generator template, which comes with 4 models. You can download the template from the link below, then just unzip it into your User, Movies, Motion Templates, Generators folder. Add a background clip or generator to a new project, and then drag the CX 3D Basic Generator above it on the timeline. I have included a spin behavior which will automatically rotate the cube around the vertical axis. In the 3D Basic Generator properties in the Parameters panel, set spin speed to 60. For a bit more interest, twirl down the Object Rotation property and set a rotation of 30 on the x-axis. Now play it back and you will see that the cube rotates from beginning to end. You could also use keyframes on the rotation properties to animate the object manually. Now add the C2 PaintX Mass Track Paint effect to our generator and click Open Editor. You will see your 3D object in a black background since the PaintX effects filter only shows the contents of the clip to which it's applied. In the upper corner, click the film strip icon to set it to frame by frame mode. Select the paintbrush and choose your color, size, and softness settings. I will start by painting all of the outside edges for the entire clip, and then come back and paint the inside edges with a different shape on a different layer. This makes it much simpler to adjust paint strokes once finished. Use the left-right arrow keys on your keyboard to step forward frame by frame, adding paint strokes at each frame. A graphics tablet is probably a good idea. Another trick is to zoom far out to like 25% or less, so that each stroke is a shorter distance of the mouse. Obviously, if drawing over more detailed shapes, this may not work as well. Once done, go back to the beginning of the clip and change your stroke color, size, and softness. Step through the timeline again, adding strokes into this new layer. Save and close the PaintX window. With the 3D Basics Generator selected, in the Clip Info panel, change the Track Mass Paint options, Color From, and Alpha From to Strokes Only. You can now add other visual or distortion effects to the paint strokes.
Like fire on the pan. If you want to touch me, please use caution. Cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets.
We can now do this again with a more complicated model. In the 3D Basic Generator Parameters panel, choose the Apple object, then adjust the object position on the y-axis so it is more centered in the frame. Add a new Mass Track Paint effect and get to work. But wait, the fun isn't over yet. If you have a pre-animated model, you can use that as well. Choose the Bat object and have a look. Adding the power of Coremelt PaintX in our free basic 3D template, we can play with some fun new 3D animation in Final Cut Pro 10. We demonstrate how to use simple 3D objects as reference for 2D hand-drawn animation.